Choose light colors and reflective surfaces. The color palette you choose can make all the difference in how spacious your room feels. Lighter shades such as white, soft pastels, and light grays work wonders by reflecting natural light, making your small space feel open and airy. Darker colors, on the other hand, tend to absorb light, which can make rooms feel more enclosed and even smaller than they are. But don't stop with just the walls. Incorporating reflective surfaces throughout your space can also enhance the sense of openness. Mirrors, for example, are a fantastic tool for bouncing light around the room. Placing a large mirror near a window or in an area where natural light enters can help visually expand your space. You can also use mirrored cabinets or glass tables to reflect light and create the illusion of depth. If you're dealing with a small space that lacks natural light, layering artificial lighting is crucial. Floor lamps, wall sconces, or recessed lighting can brighten up dark corners, making the space feel larger and more inviting. Using multiple sources of light, such as ambient, task, and accent lighting, ensures that no area feels too dark or shadowed, which can make a small room feel more confined. Glass shelving or glossy finishes on furniture can further amplify this effect by reflecting both light and the room itself, creating a more expansive atmosphere. The combination of light colors and reflective surfaces helps to trick the eye, making your space feel larger and more welcoming without any major renovations. Are you ready to brighten up your small space and let it shine?